In this video, I will be showing you how to fix drafts on TikTok not available. First thing to do is to go to your TikTok application. You can store videos on TikTok that you aren't quite ready to post yet so that you can revisit them later thanks to the option to save drafts. These drafts can occasionally vanish, leaving users to wonder why they were never there. So now let's learn how to fix drafts on TikTok not available. The first thing to do is to launch your TikTok application. Click TikTok. Now that you're on your TikTok, all you have to do is to click this plus button here, and you can start recording by tapping this red circle, for example, this one. Click check, and then click next. Now, let's just say you are very busy at this moment, or you cannot think of a better caption. So you just need to save this as draft. So all you have to do is to click drafts, and you can just go back and watch this video later. Now, once you're ready to post your video, all you have to do is to go to your profile. Your drafts will be located where you would typically see your most recent TikTok video. Now, click this video on your draft and then click next again. Now, you can type your caption, for example, faces and memories. Now, what if you are not yet done with the video and you want to continue recording? Now, all you need to do is to tap the back arrow so you can go back, click continue recording, and then here you can continue recording. So all you have to do is to tap this red circle, and once done, click check, click next, and then you have your caption already. So all you have to do is to post this video. Now the question is, what if you recorded earlier and you didn't save it to your draft and you thought that you saved it to your draft? So all you have to do is to check it to your file folder if you have accidentally saved it to your videos or to your gallery. But if you can see there is nothing here, so the best thing to do is to ask help from TikTok if they can give you an answer to your problem. You can ask your customer service team, but I think that kind of issue is a little bit impossible to resolve. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.